Why MonitorPro provides the best solution to managing your environmental data. MonitorPro has been developed to provide powerful features to help manage your environmental data. We combined years of industry experience and client feedback to develop a comprehensive set of features within MonitorPro that make it the perfect solution. These features include being user-friendly. MonitorPro is developed with the user in mind, ensuring it is user-friendly both in setup and data management. Easily highlight compliance warnings. Easily create and customize user dashboards. Modern user interface with easy-to-access inbuilt mapping functionality. Simple to manage data access. Flexibility of setup. Flexibility in MonitorPro. MonitorPro is a powerful, highly configurable environmental data management solution, allowing the user to shape MonitorPro to their monitoring requirements. Flexibility is at the core of MonitorPro. Flexible dashboards means each user can select what data to display. Enables the user to easily add new objects and remove, archive old ones, create monitoring schedules, automate data inputs and compliance breaches, and create reports. Scalability with MonitorPro. MonitorPro is scalable and adaptable to grow with your changing business needs. Our clients range from single-site operations to multinational organizations with unique environmental data challenges and requirements. Our knowledge throughout all industries is vast, and our experience means we can offer you the best possible solution suited to your needs. The MonitorPro platform ensures you get all the functionality you need, without having to invest in features you don't. Internationalization options in MonitorPro. MonitorPro is fully internationalized, allowing users to navigate the system in their language. Ideal when MonitorPro is deployed on multiple sites or where sites and corporate offices need support in different languages. Users' preferences will be saved in their own profile. Language packs are fully configurable and default translations can be updated by the users to ensure technical terms are clearly translated, allowing for regional or country differences. By combining years of industry experience and client feedback, MonitorPro has been developed to provide powerful features to help manage your environmental data, making it the perfect environmental data management solution. These key features help clients fulfill environmental obligations quickly and, in turn, increase efficiency through improved data management, reporting, automation, and visualization. Contact us today to find out how we can help you simplify your environmental data.